So as far as living on campus, I believe that it's very important to live on campus. You know, it is an option, it's not mandatory. There are multiple housing options for students to choose from the traditional style all the way up to apartment. We do have a lot of events on campus, especially during the weekends when the university is closed. And you know, we focus on the residents at that point. Those are just great opportunities to get out, meet roommates, make connections, develop lifelong relationships. Being a hall director or a resident assistant in any of the dorms, we try to be that first responder to all the residents because we can relate to them more, being that we're in the same age group. If needed, any issue would be brought over to upper management, but we just try to be that first line of defense for all our residents. As for dining, there's something for everyone. From an all-you-can-eat buffet-style cafeteria to the food court with convenient grab-and-go options such as pizza, sandwiches, gourmet bagels, and coffee. And there's a variety of meal plan options that make grabbing breakfast, lunch, or dinner super quick and convenient. The environment at McNeese is very social. Everywhere you turn, you always have big groups of people getting together, communicating. So I'd say it's a very social environment, very friendly environment.